Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about hydrogen. Okay, so element for kids, hydrogen. This is by Duxter. You can search the link by typing Duxter, and then you can search Duxter, and then you can find hydrogen if you want. My teacher found another way, but yeah. Element for kids, hydrogen, symbol H. Atomic number 1. Atomic weight 1.1.00794. Classification, it's non-metal. That means it's not a metal. Phase at room temperature, gas. Density 0.08988. G/L at 0 Celsius. Melting point, negative 259.14 Celsius. Melting point, and negative 434.45 Fahrenheit. Negative, but says melting. So that's the thing that confuses me. Boiling point, negative 252.87 Celsius and negative 423.17 Fahrenheit. The difference is also 45 Fahrenheit. Discovered by Henry Cavendish in 1766. Hydrogen is the first element in the periodic table. It is as simple as possible atomic composition on a proton in the nucleus, which is orbited by a single electron. Hydrogen is the lightest of the elements and is the most abundant element in the universe. Well, something could happen and it won't be the most one. But yeah, I think anything could happen. Okay, so characteristic and properties. At the standard temperature and pressure, hydrogen is a colorless, odorless, or tasteless gas. Hydrogen is very flammable and burns with a visible flame. It burns when it comes into contact with hydrogen. The byproduct of an hydrogen and oxygen explosion in water or hydrogen too. I think that's hydrogen gas is made up of a diatomic molecule defined as H2. Yeah, H2. Where is hydrogen found on Earth? The most common place to find hydrogen on Earth is in water. Each water molecule contains 2 hydrogen atoms. It is also found in a wide range of compounds through the Earth, including hydrocarbon acid and hydrogen. There is very little free hydrogen in the Earth's atmosphere because it is so light that it even escapes into space. The only free hydrogen on Earth is deep underground. Stars and planets. Hydrogen is found mostly in stars and the gas giant planets. The sun is made up of mostly hydrogen deep inside the stars. The pressure is so hot that hydrogen atoms convert to helium atoms. This conversion is called fusion, and it releases heat and energy that we see as sunlight. How is hydrogen used today? Hydrogen is a very useful element. It is used to make ammunition for fertilizers, refining metals, and methanol for making artificial metals like plastics. Hydrogen is also used as a rocket fuel, where liquid hydrogen is combined with liquid hydrogen to reduce a powerful explosion. Scientists hope that someday hydrogen can be used as a clean fuel alternative to gasoline. How was it discovered? Well, I'm going to read these two paragraphs. So yeah. How was it discovered? English scientist Henry Cavendish discovered hydrogen as an element in 1766. Cavendish ran an experiment using zinc and hydrochloric acid. He discovered hydrogen and also found in this it produced water when it burned. Where did hydrogen get its name? The name hydrogen comes from the Greek word hydro, meaning water, and gens, meaning crater. It was named by French chemist Antoine Lavoisier, but because when it burned, it creates water. Thank you, everybody. Well, it's almost done, but about what I shared is done, but now I'm going to read some. Stars shine because they are transmuted vast amount of hydrogen into helium. Our sun alone consumes 600 million tons of hydrogen per second, converting it into 596 million tons of hydrogen of helium. Think about it, 600 million tons per second, even like, wait, what? It's 600 million tons per second. Even at night? 600 million tons of per second. That's a lot. Even at night. So that means, so if you use like, how many seconds are in a minute? So there are 60 seconds in a minute, right? There are 60 minutes in an hour, and there are like they need a lot of, that's like each day you can get like billions, trillions, like, so even at night, so it's a lot. Let's keep going for a second, even at night. And where does the other 4 million tons per second go? It's converted into energy according to Einstein famous formula. E equal mc2, about 3.5 pounds per second. Worth the light of the dawn, rising and warmth of a summer afternoon, and the red glow of a dying day. The sun's furious compulsion of hydrogen suctions all about hydrogen is important to live as we know it begin closer to home. Together with oxygen, it forms the clouds, oceans, lakes, and rivers combined with carbon. I just heard myself whistle. I never did that. That was so cool. But that was hydrogen. Thank you, everybody. If you want to learn more about all the elements, not all, but some elements, you can go to this book, The Elements. It's a book my teacher found it somewhere. He bought it for me and my brother. But thumbs up to my brother, subscribe to him, and ring the bell. Also subscribe, ring the bell, and see you next video. Bye everyone. Bye.